Hello, sixth graders. Before you begin reading the prologue today of I Am Malala, let's preview some new vocabulary terms that you will find. Okay, the first word is cricket. And cricket is a game played with a bat and ball on a large field, known as a ground, between two teams of 11 players each. The object of the game is to score runs when at bat and to put out or dismiss the opposing batsman when in the field. A bazaar is another name for a marketplace. The word banter is the playful and friendly exchange of teasing remarks. And lastly, the word gnawing is persistently worrying or distressing. All right, now please visit Google Classroom to complete today's reading and assignment.